Good morning guys. Today I'm going to be having herbal tea, no caffeine and no milk, so no carbohydrate, water, and then I've got multigrain bread, 2 slices of toast, avocado and eggs, 2 hard-boiled eggs. So we've been a bit unlucky with the smashed avocado, haven't had good ones, but we've just got another good avocado. So after I've taken my blood sugar levels 2 hours after I've started eating breakfast, then I have morning tea. So this is a berry yogurt. I'll show you the container actually. So it's low fat yogurt that's been recommended by the Bakers Institute, which I'll leave a link for down below so you know what I'm following. Pears and rolled oats, 1/4 cup of rolled oats and 120 grams of yogurt. So for lunch, I'm having a multigrain toastie with cheese, ham and tomato, and then a salad on the side, half a plate of salad, lettuce, cucumber, capsicum and carrot, and then milk as the drink. So that'll be my second serving of dairy for today. I aim for 2 a day. For afternoon tea, I'm having half an apple and half a pear. Hubby's having the other halves of those, and cheese with Vita wheats. I'll show you the packet. For tea tonight, we're having lamb, which ends up being about 1/4 of the plate, sweet potato, which is another 1/4 of the plate, and then some carrot and pak choy. And I've just made some water with ice in it and a squirt of lemon. I've just done my 4th and last blood sugar test for the day. So I'm going to have supper. So Rivita multigrain with some peanut butter. Just going to have 2 of those. And I have this 2 hours after I've had my dinner. Take care. Bye.